To enable and use live captions on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter accessibility options, and then you can go into hearing enhancement. Look for the live captions and then you can activate them right here. Now make sure that you also have a languages selected that you're using, and after that you can open any video. For example, on YouTube, it's the best way I think to showcase that option. So right here, if I open the video, it should show me a transcribe of everything that is being said on the phone. So let's unmute my phone.
Galaxy A37 5G. First of all, let's open setting.
Of course, we need to download the language as well. So let's just wait a few moments until the language is downloaded, and then
On our device. Next step is to scroll down to the device care right here.
as you can see, it transcribes everything that I'm saying on this video. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.